Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got another, I'm sure I've done these before. It's a Philips Super Quintet, model number 172, and made between 1958 and 61. So I thought I'd show this one because it's well, a coloured set. I rarely get those. Look, it's in pretty good condition. I mean, the case is certainly almost virtually pristine. The knobs are missing the little caps, but they're not hard to get, so we don't have to worry about that. Another thing it's missing, of course, is the plastic dial cover, but the owner is sourcing that, and it's just lost a little bit of white paint off there. It's flaked off, but it's not too bad considering the paint on these Philips and their the Fleetwood model, which are all made by Philips anyway, paint likes to flake off. But so that's working, and that, what's that? Oh yeah, that'll be for the switch between radio and phonogram. There'll be a plug in the back, and I'll have volume, tone, and on-off switch, and probably volume there. So again, a little bit of damage on the back there. To be expected, I guess, after all those years. At least we've still got a little sticker down there, so that's good. Alright, I'll take the back off and we'll look at it. And yeah, we'll see. This could be a very short video or a long one. We'll find out. Well, here's the chassis, and it's actually in pretty good condition, as you can see. Just a bit of dust in there, that's all, easy to clean out. A couple of 24 microfarad cap cans. What I've got 5 valves. I haven't checked the schematic yet, but I'd say 6A and 7. What have we got here? 6B H5, 6BD7, and 6M5 is the output, and of course a 6B4. So pretty standard valve line up there, and of course the tuning gang there. Oh, it's not a gang actually, is it? The name escapes me, but yeah, we've seen these before. Alright, underneath, I've already had a look, but it looks all original to me, and nothing's been touched. So, I've got the speaker out, and as well, and I'll just attach the I always like to check the speaker, so we'll just attach the speaker to the output wires. And blue and red, well, I'm pretty sure I can see the red. It's on the cap can. And 6M5 plate should be pin 7, I think, from memory. 1, 2, 3, 4, can't count. Over here. And there it is there, pin 7. Alright, let's see if it makes any sound. Yeah, good stuff. Less work for me, changing the output transformer. Alright, I'll get this plugged in, set up some power, and we'll give it that initial test. Okay, let's give it up, give a power test to it, and let's just monitor the filter cap, and that's right in there. So both cans are, the body of the cans are earthed, both of them, so nice and easy. And let's go to DC. Antennas connected, speaker is too, and we'll just take it up slowly. Here we go. That's good, no short circuits yet. Dial globe's lighting up. It's me knocking the camera. And the rectifier's kicking in. Good stuff. Nice and slow. That's looking pretty good. It's alive. And it works.
No, but it's done us on second. No, maybe third. Anyway, it doesn't matter because we were...
Okay, that's a tone.
And also I'm glad it blew the start. So there's two legs of the multi down.
It doesn't like my fluoro wide.
We've just got one left, which is Rocky Rogue. Yes. And then, you know,
cool.
It's paid about $470 or something,
right.
something like that.
Well, guys, an easy one. And I was, I was looking forward to maybe, something a little bit challenging, but not, unfortunately. But anyway, I'll, not much to do on this one, just too easy. I'll recap it, and we'll listen to it then. I'm gonna shotgun it, rather than one at a time. Change one test. As long as I do it properly, won't have a problem. So I'll be back very shortly. Well, I haven't done the shotgun approach yet. When I look closely at the filter caps, the cans, I noticed they weren't easy to get to. So I've done some rewiring, and I've installed two new caps, as you can see up there, limited in space on these little chassis, of course. And so what I've done is the first filter cap right there, two wires run to it, one from the cathode and the other one which feeds the filter cap, of course, and the power wire from the output transformer also goes there. Of course, the first filter cap joins up to the second, just go up there, fire a 1K resistor, and the second cap feeds, let me see, three things: the grid on the 6M5, which is down here, and it also feeds the second IF can, which is tucked in way behind there, and also one more, this 68K resistor, which goes to the selector switch for the between radio and the pickups right there. So that's all done. It's taken me about 45 minutes to do. Just had to be careful, and hopefully I've done it right and the thing will work. So I've got the speaker hooked up. Let me just connect my multimeter, and as I said, both filter caps are grounded to the chassis, and there's our positive. Alright, here we go. So let's turn it up slowly and hope the thing still works. A little bit of power, more and more and more. Come on, there we go, kicking in finally. So far so good. Yes.
Today and welcome if you live in Texas in Queensland. Ooh. Yes, Texas, Queensland.
Nice. It all works. Gee, what a sensitive radio. Gee. Alright, so that's all done. Thank God for that. I'll now I'll get rid of those waxies and yeah, anyway, check out this commercial while I'm doing it.
Hi, partner, Reese.
Hi, fellas.
Roy Rogers.
See, that's a pretty tricky hat, isn't it? Partners, how would you like to surprise your pals like that? Well, you can with my new Roy Rogers Quick Shooter hat. It's by Ideal. And here's how the Quick Shooter hat works. Just press this secret button right here, and a replica of an authentic Western pistol pops out and fires. It's your secret weapon, even when they think you're unarmed. So get Ideal's new Roy Rogers Quick Shooter hat at your favorite store today, and you'll always be ready for anything. Ask for Ideal's new Roy Rogers Quick Shooter hat.
Well, how'd you like that commercial? Good old Roy Rogers. What a hat. Super duper. Wish I had one. Anyway, recapping has been done. And I've powered it up and hopefully...
Have a problem.
Yep, there it goes.
And you seek help. You can stop drinking. And in the same way...
What? Stop drinking? What? Where's some other stations?
Seasonal surcharges may apply.
Good.
Sale ends.
Alright. So
Are these children...
before
predators own?
I put it back in its case, I thought, well, given that this one, these particular models have a selector switch for radio and the phono or pickup, I thought, hey, let's put in a 3.5 mil jack and be able to run MP3s. Nice, easy thing to do. So I've got my dongle all set up, connected to my phone, and where's the... there it is there. There's your signal. And I'll better turn that radio back on. It'll get YouTube up. Just sort of warm up again. Sorry, I should have turned it off.
Complaints are now
There it goes.
self-created content, and that is sextorters or people who are
All right.
bribing our
So-
children to take their clothes off.
Or you're being threatened because, you
God,
said
these
the
things
thing
are
that
hard
you
to
shouldn't have
do by
said,
hand.
Yeah.
and now you're being coerced into doing something else.
And with girls, that...
There we go. So, where's my radio? My phone. Let's get Dimension X up. Is it playing? There it comes.
Future tense.
Nice. Yep.
Time
Full
is an
volume.
interesting phenomenon.
Not bad at all.
A ticking clock.
Alright, turn that off. So, that's a goer. I'm going to, where is it here? Where the pickups are right there, as you can see. So, I'm going to put a little, drill a hole right there and install the jack. And, wire it to there and there with a 10k resistor for the impedance load for the headphone, and for the dongle I read up, apparently these require some sort of resistance load. So what I read, they recommended 10k at least, and anyway, I've been using 10k because that's what Terry Dayton from D-Lab uses, and he knows more about electronics than I ever will, so I'll just follow him. Alright, I'll get that done. Just one drill one hole, a little bit of soldering, and job's done. Back soon. Okay, the MP3 mod has been done. There's a little jack, and it's my 10k resistor, and just one wire going up to the pickup feed. So that's all it requires, and haven't tested it because it should work. I'm going to get this back in the case, and we'll give it a run through. And woe is me if that MP3 doesn't work. Anyway, we'll find out. Oh well, all done, all back in the case. Yep, that's pretty much spot on, I hope. It was on the ABC last time, but I don't think I've moved anything. Anyway, switching on, so the volume, the on-off switch works.
To the city after High Street, down truck in the left lane.
Yeah, cool.
Roadways. AFL Grand Final. And you could be there with Ross and Ross's Grand Final.
Be quiet. Let's go to MP3. And I've got Dimension X. There it goes. Just got to turn the volume up.
Or in 10. Or in the next minute. Some people think they can. Nuclear scientists, mathematicians,
Nice.
astronomers, biologists. They'll predict the shape of the future. Why? Because they make the future. Because they see beyond the known dimensions of time and space.
Do they? Okay.
Into the unknown.
Yes.
Dimension X.
Yeah. Sounds like Val Radio restoration to me. Anyway, there it goes. It's all done. And it was an easy one. Of course, it just worked. But still satisfying to get it running and chuck in the MP3 mod. So, I hope you found it somewhat interesting. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will be back very soon. So please, everybody, take care, have fun, and thank you for watching. Bye.